Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating linear programming using Solver. So I've loaded up Grader 6 and I'm on the linear programming sheet, and I've already typed in the unit costs for margaritas, beer, and scotch, so $5, $1.25, and $12.50. And I've also typed in the volumes for each of them, 250, 331, and 100. The tricky part there can be that you shouldn't type in the ml, because if you type in the ml beside 250, for example, it treats it as a piece of text and it can't do any math on that. So just type in the number itself. Okay, now I'm going to use sum product over here to multiply the units by the unit costs. So I'm going to insert a function, sum product, and the first array is the units, and the second array is unit costs, and I'm done. So it multiplies those two ranges, and I get 1875. I'm going to do the same for units and volume, and that's pretty straightforward. You use the same technique, and beyond that you can fill in the total number of drinks, and you can put in the constraints for the limits on both cost and volume, and you should be all set to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.